Hey and welcome back to Mr. Systems. Today we will be talking about how you can kickstart and start your IT infrastructure career, or maybe just a hobby that you would like to learn more about what IT infrastructure is. And IT infrastructure is a broad term, but this is how you can learn something about how it is. And I'm thinking that we will do it with Cisco Packet Tracer. That's the best thing you can learn with if you want to study about IT infrastructure. The first thing you're going to do is that you want to navigate to Netiquette. So this site here, up here. And then you want to log in. If you have not created a user yet, then you have to get the free version of Packet Tracer, and it is free software, so it is very nice. You just have to create an account here at Netiquette, and then you have to activate it. You will get a link through your mail, and then you're signed up in here, and then you can download Packet Tracer for free, and I'll show you in just a moment. After you successfully have created your account and logged in, the next thing you're going to have to do is click on Resources and click Download Packet Tracer. And you go down here. And if you're using Windows, you will download that. If you use Ubuntu and Mac OS, you will download that version. I'm using Windows, so I will be downloading this one. After it is downloaded, you can click on the Cisco Packet Tracer, and we will do that. First time that you're doing this, it will prompt you to log in with the account that you have been creating, so just do that and your window should look like mine. And now finally the fun can start. Cisco Packet Tracer is a simulator, so this would just say that it simulates things in here, so you do not have to have these hardware physically, so you can play with it in here in this simulated environment in here. And that's why it's very good for learning, because you don't have to go out and spend a big buck to get the hardware to you, and you can just play with so many things in here. And I will give you a brief overview of what that could be. So just to start somewhere, we could look at the network devices that you can play with. You have the routers from Cisco, you have the switches, you have their hubs, you have their wireless devices, you have security and WAN simulation in here as well. And there's a lot of routers in here. You can see they got all these that you can put in here like so. Then you can just start to configure them as how you would like. Same goes for the switches and all these other network devices. You have end devices as well, this one, where you can put in a PC or laptop, server, you name it, printer that you would like to play with. And you have different selections that you can choose down here as well. If it's something in home, you can even put in garage door, a coffee machine, so many things in here. And the same goes for components and miscellaneous things and multi-user connection. I have never used Packet Tracer where I have worked with components or miscellaneous things or multi-user connection. Never used it. And I have only used network devices up here and end devices for my needs, but maybe you have different needs. And that was just to name a few things. Like as you can see here, I have just put up 2 PCs, given them an IP, and made a small little local area network with this switch and these 2 PCs. I can't cover everything in this video, but I think that I will make another video going a bit more in depth of what you actually can do in here and what the individual things are. So a little course in Packet Tracer. This was just how to get started and throw you into the Packet Tracer environment. And just to end the video with is that this has been very helpful for me, Packet Tracer, because you can do all sort of things on here, and it helps you to understand a lot of things, and you can just use try and error in here, and you can really get good at Cisco products it is Cisco who made Packet Tracer, so there is a lot of things that are Cisco proprietary in here, but it's a very good place to start learning about data infrastructure and IT infrastructure. I hope this has helped you to be informative, and I hope to see you in my next video as well. Bye.